Pastor, the woman dreamt of a train and a train station where she would buy a ticket, but sometimes she wouldn't reach her destination. What does this mean? Aske Silale.
Morning TMS family. Mina mkhulu nginokuphupha ngisestation setrain. Station setrain kukaningi ngiphupha lephupho. It's either mhlambe kwesinye isikhathi ngiyagibela etrainini ngihamba ngetrain, kwesinye isikhathi angifiki la ngiyakhona, kwesinye isikhathi ngihlala estation ngilinde itrain engafiki, kwesinye isikhathi ngiphuphe vele uthola ukuthi ngiyothenga ithikithi, uthola ukuthi endleleni mhlambe lo train igcina seyishintsha sigibela kwenye. So angazi kahle kahle ukuthi kusukela ukuchaza ukuthini indaba yokuhlala ngisetrainini noma estation setrain ngiyalinda noma esesikhathi yafika ngihambe angazi. Umuntu kamoya ke by the way kodwa angithwasile. Ngiyabonga.
Pastor, zimbili izinto esizwa kuyena. Umuntu kamoya kodwa akathwasile, kodwa uhlezi ephupha ngale station. Ngabe chaza ukuthini?
Ngicabanga mhlawumbe lento phela ngoba sikuveza nesetheni akathwasile futhi lento sikhomba ukuthi mhlawumbe lento yake ayifiki ayikapheleliswa mhlawumbe lento kamoya. Mhlawumbe le journey yakhe nje ukuthi akathwasile asazi ukuthi yini lemvimbayo ngoba lento iyakhomba ukuthi content ama delays empilweni yakhe ngaba ama delay ngokukamoya ukuthi hayi mhlawumbe kunalo hamba uyalithatha kodwa lihambe liphazamiseke kube nezinto ezivelayo ezenza ukuthi gcine sekunalama delays enza ukuthi mhlawumbe angaliphothula uhambo lwakhe efuna bemhlawumbe sekaliphothulile lukamoya yabona noma mhlawumbe kuyenzeka liqale kube khona ihibe futhi eyivelayo phambili yabona kulolu hambo lukamoya but kuyenzeka futhi istimela sesithi mhlawumbe ke bengayena umuntu kamoya kungathinta ama delays ezintweni zempilo zekusasa lapha yabona isuke ziba khona yabona.
Hayi Pastor, izwakela impela. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuba khona nathi and sibonga ukuthi ukwazile ukuthi nje abanye ubanike lelo sizo lelo abalidingayo kakhulu. So thank you so much Pastor.
Yabona.
Siyabonga. Well, TMS family, a huge thank you to Pastor Weningi for sharing his wisdom and helping us decode these fascinating dreams. We hope you find the insight and very enlightening. So, ungakhohlwa thumela lawo ma voice note. Pastor Weningi uzokwazi ukuhlala nathi akusize futhi. Kwamanje ke sizophuthuma endabeni zesports, hlala nathi. Siyabonga.